How to fix Discord mobile overlay not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord mobile overlay not working on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Discord and then click on it. And now all you need to do first, just click draw over other apps, click on it and then allow it. And now just go back and click here storage and clear cache, and then open Discord and go to settings here, open settings, and then scroll down until you find voice, and as you see here we'll find enable mobile voice overlay and then enable it. And that's it, now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.